Wall corner cabinets have 4 side panels in total. The panel here with the groove on the side is the inner side panel. We will start the assembly with this panel. Place the inner side panel flat down, ensuring the side with the connector holes are facing upwards. Find the base panel and top panel and attach them to both ends of the inner side panel. Find the outer side panel and attach it to the base panel and inner side panel together. Secure the panels together with cam locks. Flip the cabinet. Find the other inner side panel and attach it to the cabinet. Find the remaining outer side panel and attach it to the inner side panel and base panel together. Secure the panels together with cam locks. Find the back panel and slide it into the grooves. Attach the hinges onto the door and install it to the cabinet frame.